So I went under the Golden Gate about an hour ago, about 6 miles out right now, under full sail. There's the Maine, there's the Staysail, there's the Yankee. Got just medium-sized swells, maybe 6 feet. Nice breeze. 11, 12 knots directly on the beam. We're going anywhere from 6 knots to 7. So I got my laptop out, my charting software up. There I am. There's a couple of ships about to turn into the bay. Go downstairs, down below, and show you how nice and peaceful it is down here. It's kind of cool to look out the port light and see the sea rolling by. The only noise in here is the hum of the inverter for my laptop. Radar, GPS, the cords from the GPS as well as the AIS system. AIS system right there. Cords going out, up and out to the laptop. Forward bunk, nothing much. Just kind of storing junk right now. Not junk, there's a flare kit, that's important. Everything else pretty much stowed. Some soft stuff that might fly, but I'm not too worried about that. Anyway, nice and comfortable. Going along. This is what it's all about.